hey, are you looking for someone, or what's going on? Oh, your friend went missing. Really? Well, why are you asking me about it? I'm confused. Someone told you that I was the last person you saw. Well, I was the last person that they saw speaking to your friend? Are you sure about that? Like, positive it was me? Sometimes I do get told that I look like a lot of different people. I mean, maybe it was someone else. Are you sure? They said it was absolutely me. Really? The girl with the glasses and... Oh. Wow. I wonder what that was. No, that couldn't possibly be me, because I mean, I was in my coffee. I was grabbing coffee, like, around that specific time, and I mean, the line was pretty long, so I mean, unless they were in line waiting for coffee too, then there's really no way that could have been me. No, I didn't say coffin. Why would I say coffin? That makes literally no sense. I don't work in a funeral home. Are you delusional? I thought you were pretty smart, Didn't we have calculus together? Yeah, so what's with all the questions? I'm not understanding. It's a little weird, don't you think? Have you guys questioned anyone else? You spoke to our mutual professor, and the professor seemed like they were in a daze, and like everything they said was being controlled by someone else. What? No, that couldn't have happened. That's literally impossible, don't you think? Yes, I'm hot. You're just so warm-blooded. I mean, it's burning me up, man. Seriously, I can't really stand the body heat. Actually, can you step back a little bit? You really don't want to tip me right now. No, just like if you stand too close, like I'll probably pass out. Seriously. It's kind of making me sick. And are you wearing like a perfume or something? What is that, A negative? No, you've never heard of them? La Brujera perfume. Yeah, they make perfumes and they're blood scents. It's really like niche. Trust me, if you don't know about it, you don't know about it, but it's pretty cool. They have like A negative, A positive, O positive, O negative. Sanguine is O negative, I believe, and it smells really good. So yeah, you kind of smell like a little A negative right now. Really, that's your blood type? Isn't that a coincidence? Maybe she really did study the sense of blood, I guess, and like what pairs well with what. I don't know, but that's what you smell like right now. You smell like that perfume. Yeah. I usually don't stay up this late, so I'm a little tired. Yeah, don't bother me. I mean, don't mind me. I'm a little tired. Well, yeah, I know that it's 2 in the afternoon, but still, I mean, I pulled an all-nighter, so it's still night to me, basically. Anyway, you're completely getting off topic. What was your friend's name? Trixie. I don't think I've ever come across a Trixie. No. you sure it wasn't pixie? Like pixie dust? Or... Well, I mean, obviously you know what your friend's name is, but I've never seen them before in my life. I've never heard of them. I've never heard of a Trixie. We all shared a class. Well, do you know how many classes I've taken in my lifetime? Literally thousands. I mean, I don't mean to be like, oh, hyperbolic, but I've taken a lot of classes. I can't even really put a number on it, but I've taken so many. There's been so many people that I've come across. There's just no way, really, that I've met this Trixie that you're talking about. Someone said that I helped them with a cut that they had. A cut? Was it like a scratch or like a slice or like a open wound? Like what type of cut are we talking here? Was it oozing blood? Like oozing? Or was it like a little like doop, 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 like little droplets of blood? What was it? Like a little river flowing. No? Well, you don't even know what type of bleeding it was, but you're claiming to accept the truth that someone said that they saw me helping Trixie with a cut, if that's even her name. No, it just doesn't sound believable anymore. I mean, they could have at least had known what type of cut it was. I mean, if it was serious, we probably would have went to an emergency room. Did anybody see her at an hospital? They said that I invited her back to my place to help with the cut. Why would I do that? I'm not a doctor. I don't even study nursing. Why would I want to invite her with that? I actually am afraid of blood. If I drink too much, if I smell too much of it, I'll practically pass out. I mean, it is disgusting. Like, I don't know how people eat it. Not literally. Like, how can they bear it? How can they stand it? You know? Eat it. You get what I'm saying? Seriously. It just doesn't make sense to me, so. You know what? How about this? How about you just look me in my eyes right now? Don't mind my nails. It's been a long day digging in some dirt. Yeah, I garden. I like plants, obviously. So, disregard that. Anyway, I want you to just look me in my eye, okay? Look me in my eye. And I want you to gaze deeply. I want you to gaze deeply into my eye, okay? And I want you to repeat after me. Because I'm going to help relieve some of the stress that you have about this pixie person. Trixie, my mistake. I want you to repeat. I don't know where Trixie is. I don't know where Trixie is. Trixie has stopped responding to my text messages. Trixie has stopped replying to my text messages because Trixie found out that I was flirting with her boyfriend. So Trixie no longer wants to talk to me. She actually transferred schools. And when I tried finding out more information, she deleted all her social media accounts. I will never know where Trixie is. I will never know what Trixie is. Because Trixie doesn't want me to know. And so I will have to deal with that. And simply move on. Leave it alone. Trixie is gone. And this conversation never even happened. Okay. This conversation never even happened. Okay. And that is what it will be. Hey, are you doing okay? Yeah, I was just doing my makeup and you just standing here. You kind of looked like you were out of it. Is everything all right? You don't know why you're here? Really? Are you okay? Well, that's good. Maybe you've been studying a lot lately. You think that what it might be? Yeah, it's been a rough few weeks. I know the semester just started, but the previous was a doozy, so I get it, I know. Yeah, maybe you just need to head on home and take a little nap, don't you think? Yeah, I think that'll be good for you. Yeah, how about you do that?